Hello guys, welcome to my another video. Today I'll show you how to send PDF file on Facebook Messenger to using your smartphone. At first open your file manager. Now click on storage and select a PDF file and click on send. Now go on chats. Now you select a Facebook ID and now click on send. Now the PDF file is sent to your friend. Now let's check. Go in Messenger. You can see the PDF file sent your friend.